What's up, guys? So I'm up here again, same spot, going out to the same spot and everything. Just a little change up. There's a lot more snow. And within the next few hours, we're supposed to have something like 18 centimeters or 20. I'm just basically coming up for 3 hours just to go and see what all this snow, see what all this snow has done to my structure. And just have a little fire, have some ramen noodles, relax a little bit. Nothing else to do. Off today, and a lot of people are afraid to go out in this. Okay, so I'm just gonna get up there now. It's not too far away from where I am. And I can hear an owl. But yeah, I hope the wind's not bad on this, because walking up the trail, there's just a gust of wind coming straight down from it. Oh, Jesus. That's a lot of snow in the face. Okay, so see how far I can make it. Well, let's not see how far I can make it. I know I can make it up there. A little bit harsh on the eyes with all the snow coming in your eyeballs. Almost forgot you guys. Okay, so I just got to our structure here. You see, it's rather snowed upon. But a really cool thing is, I don't know if you guys can see them down in the snow. All the rabbit tracks that lead inside it. So that means we had a little Bugs Bunny running around. Just like how I said. That right there, going through. Pretty main walkway. A few tracks going straight through it all. There's tracks just absolutely everywhere in right here. Meaning there is a lot of game if I needed it. But most of the times I do never need to kill anything, because don't kill something if you don't really need to. Okay, so I'm just going to clear away a bit of the snow, get my bag laid down, go collect a little bit of more firewood. On the way in, I got this stuff right here. When you're walking in, just try to look in the trees and everything for stuff that will just easily break off, that's completely dead. Like this stuff here. You don't really have to put much force into it. Most of it is dry because it's up above, not laying on the ground. Like last time I was out here, most of the stuff that I burnt was laying on the ground. I can't see any of it anymore. So there's about, I'd say, put my foot all the way down. It's up to my leg almost. Give that a good 4 or 5 inches of snow on the ground right now. And it's still just coming down. Okay, so I'll get back to you in a second when I have a little bit of firewood, a little bit cleared away from the camp here.